Say oh! Let's go!
Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Everybody know, let me see your hands up. Right now, 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 right now.
on the 18th June road. This road, nothing happened on this road, but this road has been wrongly named as 18th June. So people think that the movement led by Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia against the Portuguese took place on this road, which is wrong. It took place in Margao. Okay? So this is just named after that incident, but nothing happened on this road. Now come. This is the Heritage Garden of Garcia de Horta. Look to your right. Heritage Garden of Garcia de Horta. Abe Faria statue to your right. Did you? Is the first world hypnotist. Abe Faria. Did you see to your left? Abe Faria and Mike of Sound. Abe Faria was the first Goan world hypnotist. Did you see his statue? Adil Palace, did you see? Now look at the Panjim church, the beautiful Panjim church of 1541. The beautiful Panjim church of 1541. Just look in front of you. Did you see the church? Did you see the beautiful church? Look at the heritage houses here. Did you see? Or a stick your hat. We are in the area of Konkani into the latent quarters of Panjim. Did you see? I have said, did you see Aditya's Palace? No, it's Panjim is a beautiful city on the banks of the Mandavi river. First reference to Panjim is in the Kadamba inscription. It was known as Pajani Khani. The old name of Panjim was Pajani Khani. Did you hear? What was the old name of Panjim? Pajani Khani, mentioned in the Kadamba inscription. Did you hear? Did you hear? Very good. Here you can see the maroon color structure. That is the memorial of the first Chief Minister of Goa, Dayanand Banodkar. Here you can see, yeah, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan statue you can see here. And that Maruti temple, that is the area of the fort. There was a fort in Miramar. Now nothing exists. There was a fort in Miramar. Did you see the area where the Maruti temple is there? That is Dempe College, our college, where you will be studying after some years. Who is the first Chief Minister of Goa? Very good. Where is his memorial located? Where was the fort? Very good. Heritage ride.
Slow.
How is the heritage ride? How is the Josh? How is the heritage ride? We have reached Kampal now. How was the Josh? How was the Josh? How was the heritage? How was the ride?
हय सायंकाळ हांगासून पणजी मार्केट पणजी.
It's a privilege to be a part of City on Cycle 2019 with a special theme, Let's Pedal for Fresh Air. We at Goa State Council for Science and Technology, being the state nodal agency for implementing various environment-related programs, is always concerned about the environment and related issues. And I hope this City on Cycle will take a right message in the entire state and will help us to reduce the carbon emission, to make and keep our air fresh. So let's pedal for fresh air.
Oh, it was very good. The little bit of sunlight causing a bit of a problem should have been before the sunrise, but it was a good experience. I think life is about riding. It's a beautiful ride.
And journey. Take a good journey, have a good journey, have a good time. It's fun.
Yeah. Well, the message is we represent our own cycling group called the Cycle Path. So we have come here with the message that staying fit is the in thing. Okay, say no to drinks, smokes, drugs. The newest thing is stay fit and you are the leader.
City on Cycles, powered by positive attitude!
खूप बरें दिसलें सगळ्यांनी अशीच प्रदूषण विरयत सायकली चलोवच्यो अशें हांव मागतां.
Arey, what an initiative today. We had a great Sunday morning, you know. We could ride cycle in Panjim city. I think many things needs to be done regularly.
How was the rally?
It was pretty cool. Enjoyed it. Enjoyed it.
बरें दिसलें आमकां हितून येवन बरें आमकां हँडिकॅपाक बरें एक हें मेळ्ळें आमकां हितून येवन स्टेज कशी एक बरें दिसलें हितून.
आमी मॉडिफायड स्कुटरीचेर टोटल 9 जाण पार्टिसिपेट जाले आयज आनी हे पार्टिसिपेशन आमी केलां स्पेशली इन्क्लुजन प्रमोट करपाक वीथ डिजेबिलिटी. डिजेबल्ड चडशे लोकांक सायडलायन करतात, चडशे इन्क्लूड करिना.
You know, it's a very good initiative for the kids like my son, and you know, it was his first 10 kilometers ride, so we were very excited. I request you all to please organize it more often for people like us who love riding bicycles. Thank you so much.
What do you want to say? How you enjoyed?
Yes.
Yeah.
It was very nice ride, tiring.
Yeah, how was the rally?
Good.
And you enjoyed it?
Yes.
I enjoyed it. It was very nice. It was a heritage ride, so we learned a lot about the Panjim city.
The rally was excellent. If you ask me, I think you should make it a mandate every Sunday because, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I could see so many parents with their small children.
बरो आसलो एक्सपिरियन्स अशें परत परत इव्हेंट जावपाक जाय सो दॅट पीपल अवेरनेस बरें येता सायकलिंग हें तें.
It was really exciting. Since it is first time in Goa, it's really good to have such kind of events happening.
Oh, it was nice. Better than I expected because I'm into cycling. I enjoy cycling. I've done the Shashti 100, although I didn't complete 100 kilometers. I did 50. So doing 10 in Panjim was a good experience.
You know, in my younger days, I used to organize the cycle races and all. Yeah, we had even organized a race in Margao, and because we had formed a cycle association. That was good old days. I go cycling, not very regular, to Panjim, and it was a really very nice experience. I enjoyed it.
Bari asli.
And you enjoy it?
Yes. It was very nice, but there were traffic jams and all. But it was very nice and exciting.
It was awesome. First of all, it's good that the organizers started it on time, and the weather is perfect, and I think there can't be anything better for Panjim than cycling. The cycling culture is absolutely awesome.
Yes, it's been a long time since I got out to cycle, and thanks to this wonderful initiative of cycling in the city early in the morning, it was really nice to have small kids. You know, I think this initiative should be continued.
It's like I love cycling, and this really this gave me a chance to show it.
Yeah, I enjoyed the rally and it was nice everywhere. I enjoyed the places where everything was nice.
We did our exercise also by cycling. Yeah. It was a good rally, but there was a 10 kilometers rally and we got so much information about our city.
First of all, it's a great hats off to the organizers because this event, is the first time and it's a success. And we are lucky to participate in this event. And it's important because we knew how Panjim, like we are from Margao, so we don't know how Panjim is. So it's really a great honor to be in this event, to be a part of it. And I hope the Goan Varta paper, the Prudent, and they keep on supporting this event. And next year we'll hope to come soon.
हांव मडगांव रावता राय म्हणल्यार अजून पर्यंत इतलें खबर नाशिल्लें की पणजे कशें भोंवपाचें पणजेचे रस्ते एकदम सारके हे आशिल्ले म्हणल्यार आज आमी सिटी ऑन सायकल हेतू पार्टिसिपेट जावन आमकां कळ्ळें की कितें खंय आसा.
First of all, thanks for organizing this event, and we had a great time over there. We experienced a lot today, how to ride a cycle properly. We saw other people, we saw professionals, and we learned from them.
सगळें बरें आसलें ते पार्टिसिपेट हे पोल्युशना खातीर रॅली बरी केला नॉन पोल्युशन सगळ्यात बेस्ट रॅली. थँक्यू फॉर मॅडम.
खूप बरी असली आणि ट्रॅक बी बरो असलो तेमी उलयता आसले हेरिटेजा बद्दल बी सगळे लॉंग रन असली खूप इंटरेस्ट मेळ्ळे.
It was a wonderful event organized by Fomento, and as a representative of HDFC Bank, we are proud to be associated with this particular event, City of Cycling 2019. In fact, it was very enthusiastic to see the crowd who are gathered in the morning, ladies, gentlemen, school students who have come in a very large number, and we have not even come to know how the stretch of 10 kilometers we have covered so easily. So cycling is a part of a regular exercise, and everybody should actively participate.
I've told God I was a man, and I've been busy begging many times. No one needs to know right now.
Oh, girl, I wanna look so fine. Oh, girl, I wanna make you mine. I wanna be with a woman just like you. I'm a holy man, and I'm gonna like I can.
They're right now to know that you care. Keep your arms around me, I want you near me, and then you also they're right now to know that you care. You're always in my heart.
to tie myself up. In fact, Sachin and Rajbir are going to tie me. So pull the rope from here. Pull the rope from here. Come a little back so people can see. At the count of 3, you have to pull the rope. Have no mercy, okay? Pull hard. Pull, pull, pull. Mercy, mercy. That's all. My legs are breaking. My goodness, that's enough. Yeah, and make a knot in the middle. Don't loosen the rope. Make a knot. Exchange the knots. Pull, 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 pull. Exchange, exchange, exchange. Yeah, make it so that, yeah, pull it, pull it. Give him the other one. Yeah, that's perfect. Pull, pull, pull. Rajbir and Sachin, give it a tight pull. Oh my goodness, my legs are nice. But that's all. Oh my God. Now, without loosening it, make another knot. Make another knot. Yes, another knot. Here we go. Pull it tight. Pull it tight. That's fantastic. Yes, last knot. Last knot. Ladies and gentlemen, remember Sachin and Rajbir are tying me up. Now they have took 15 seconds to tie me. I'm going to try to escape in less than 15 seconds. Thank you so much. You can stand on the right, you can stand on the left. That's lovely. Sachin and Rajbir did a fantastic job. At the count of 3, Rajbir, you're going to put the cloth on the hand. You're going to start the timer. Only on the hand. You come back so that everybody can see. Come back, that's the correct place. 1. You know why you're putting it on my hand? So I don't use my teeth, right? Rajbir? 1, 2, 3. Put the cloth on. Fantastic, Sachin. You did very well, Sachin. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Illusionist Clifford. Thank you, Sachin, and thank you very much for joining me on stage. God bless you guys. Enjoy your morning and have a healthy day. Keep cycling all the week long and throughout the year. My name is Illusionist Clifford. It was a pleasure to entertain you all. Thank you very much.
1074, registration number 1074 if you're around here. 1074. Event. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please give a huge round of applause. We'll reveal the cycle that's behind. Someone will get this amazing prize. Okay, the number is 20. Anyone with 20? Yeah. 11. 2011. Wow. Oh, wow. Sheshwan Duri, right? Okay, congratulations, Palash, for winning this amazing cycle. You came with the cycle here? Don't go with low. Well, Palash came with 1 cycle. He's going with 2 cycles.